नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है अभी के इस वीडियो में जो पेंशनर्स और फैमिली पेंशनर्स है तो उनके पेंशन में रिवीजन किए जाने संबंधी जो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशंस एंड पेंशन वेलफेयर ने ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम 4 जनवरी 2019 को जारी किया है। तो इसी के बारे में अभी हम इस वीडियो में जानने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो 2006 से पहले जो पेंशन रिटायर हुए फिफ्थ सीपीसी स्केल पर तो उनकी पेंशन में 1 जनवरी 2006 से जो रिवीजन किए जाने संबंधी ये जो ऑफिस मेमोरेंडा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशंस एंड पेंशन वेलफेयर ने जारी किया है, तो इसी के बारे में अभी हम इस वीडियो में जानने वाले हैं। तो आप जो है दोस्तों इस वीडियो के साथ अंत तक बने रहिए, और अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आगे भी ऐसे आपकी पेंशन से अपडेट जो आने वाले हैं तो उसे जानने के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और उसके बाद जो बेल का बटन आएगा उसे भी आप प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि जो आने वाले अपडेट है वो आपको किसी भी तरह से मिस ना हो सके। तो चलिए दोस्तों, ये जो ऑफिस मेमोरेंडा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशन एंड पेंशन वेलफेयर की तरफ से 4 जनवरी 2019 के दिन जारी किया गया है, तो इसी के बारे में अभी हम इस वीडियो में डिटेल में जानने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि रिवीजन ऑफ पेंशन विथ इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1st ऑफ जनवरी 2006 of pre-2006 pensioners who retired from 5th of CPC scale of rupees 6,500 to 10,500। तो यहाँ पर जो 2006 के पहले वाले जो पेंशनर्स है और वो रिटायर्ड हुए हैं फिफ्थ सीपीसी स्केल पर, तो उनकी पेंशन में रिवीजन किए जाने संबंधी जो है वो ये मेमोरेंडम जारी किया गया है, और इस पेंशन का रिवीजन 1st ऑफ जनवरी 2006 से जो है वो होगा, ऐसा भी यहाँ पे बताया गया है।
The undersigned is directed to say that as per para 4.2 of this Department's Office Memorandum of Even number dated the 1st of September 2008 relating to revision of pension of pre-2006 pensioners with effect from 1 January 2006. The revised pension with effect from the 1st of January 2006 in no case shall be lower than 50% of the sum of the minimum of pay in the pay band and the grade pay thereon corresponding to the pre-revised pay scale from which the pensioner had retired. Second, instructions were issued vide this Department's Office Memorandum of Even number dated the 28th of January 2013 for stepping up of pension of pre-2006 pensioners with effect from the 24th of September 2012 to 50% of the sum of the minimum of pay in the pay band and the grade pay thereon corresponding to the pre-revised pay scale from which the pensioner had retired, as arrived at with reference to the fitment tables annexed to Ministry of Finance, Department of Expenditures Office Memorandum number the 1st of January 2008-IC dated the 30th of August 2008. The concordance table indicating the revised pension, family pension of pre-2006 pensioners in terms of instructions contained in para 4.2 of Office Memorandum dated the 1st of September 2008 read with the Office Memorandum dated the 28th of January 2013 was also annexed to the Office Memorandum dated the 28th of January 2013. Subsequently, orders were issued vide this Department's Office Memorandum of Even number dated the 30th of July 2015 that the pension or family pension of all pre-2006 pensioners or family pensioners may be revised in accordance with this Department's Office Memorandum number 3837 Art P or PWA dated the 28th of January 2013 with effect from the 1st of January 2006 instead of the 24th of September 2012. Thirdly, in the aforesaid Office Memorandum dated the 28th of January 2013 of Department of Pension or Pensioners Welfare, the grade pay corresponding to the pre-revised pay scale of rupees 6,500 to 10,500 was shown as rupees 4,200, and the minimum pension in terms of para 4.2 of the Office Memorandum dated the 1st of September 2008 was shown as rupees 8,145, 50% of minimum pay of rupees 16,290 as per fitment table for the pre-revised scale of pay of rupees 6,500 to 10,500. Next to Ministry of Finance, Department of Expenditures Office Memorandum Number the 1st of January 2008 IC dated the 30th of August 2008, fourthly order were issued Viday Ministry of Finance. Department of Expenditures Office Memorandum Number 1.2008-IC dated the 13th of November 2009 that the posts which were in the pre-revised scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 as on the 1st of January 2006 and which were granted the normal replacement pay structure of grade pay of Rs 4,200 in the pay band P13-2. Will be granted grade pay of Rs 4,600 in the pay band PI3-2 corresponding to the pre-revised scale of Rs 7,450 to 11,500 with effect from the 1st of January 2006. Fifth, representations have been received in this department for extending the benefit of grade pay of Rs 46,001 for revision of pension or family pension, with effect from the 1st of January 2006. In respect of pre-2006 pensioners who retired or died in the 5th CPC scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 or equivalent pay scale in their earlier pay commission periods. The matter regarding the amount of minimum pension or family pension in terms of Para 4.2 of the Office Memorandum dated the 1st of September 2008 in their case has been re-examined in the light of the orders issued by Ministry of Finance, Department of Expenditure, Viday their Office Memorandum Number the 1st of January 08-IC dated the 13th of November 2009 and decisions of courts in certain cases. It has been observed that pay of all serving employees in the pre-revised pay scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 has been fixed with effect from 1.2006 in the grade pay of Rs 4,600. Therefore, the grade pay of Rs 4,600 can be considered as the grade pay corresponding to the pre-revised pay scale of 6,500 Rs to 10,500. Sixth, accordingly, it has been decided that for the purpose of revision of pension or family pension effect from the 1st of January 2006 under Para 4.2 of the Office Memorandum dated the 1st of September 2008, the grade pay of Rs 4,600 may be considered as the corresponding grade pay in the case of pre-2006 pensioners who retired or died in the 5th CPC scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 or equivalent pay scale in their earlier pay commission periods. Seventh, in accordance with the provisions of Rule 7 of the CCS Revised Pay Rules 2008, the pay corresponding to the pay of Rs 6,500 in the pre-revised pay scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 would be 12,090 in the pay band 2 after adding the grade pay of Rs 4,600. The pay in the pay band I grade pay corresponding to the pay of Rs 6,500 in the pre-revised pay scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 would be Rs 16,690, 12,090 plus 4,600 accordingly. The revised pension with effect from the 1st of January 2006 in terms of Para 4.2 of Office Memorandum dated the 1st of September 2008. For the pre-2006 pensioners who retired from the pay scale of Rs 6,500 to 10,500 in the 5th CPC or equivalent pay scales in their earlier pay commissions would be Rs 8,345. Accordingly, the entries at serial number 13 in the annexure of this Department's Office Memorandum number 3837-08P or PWA, dated the 28th of January 2013 may be substituted by the entries shown in the statement. Next to this Office Memorandum. 8. As provided in this Department's Office Memorandum dated the 28th of January 2013. In case the consolidated pension or family pension calculated as per Para 4.1 of this Department's Office Memorandum number 3837-08A, dated the 1st of September 2008 is higher than the pension or family pension calculated in the manner indicated above, The same higher consolidated pension or family pension will continue to be treated as basic pension or family pension. 9th. In their application to the persons belonging to the India Audit and Accounts Department, these orders are issued in consultation with the Controller and Auditor General of India. All the ministries or departments are requested to bring the contents of these orders to the notice of a Controller of Accounts or pay and accounts officers in attached and subordinate offices under them. They are also requested to revise the pension of the affected pre-2006 pensioners in accordance with the instructions contained in this office memorandum on a top priority basis.
तो इसी मेमोरेंडम के बारे में अभी हमने इस वीडियो में जाना, जो कि पेंशन में रिवीजन किए जाने संबंधी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशंस एंड पेंशन वेलफेयर द्वारा 4 जनवरी 2019 के दिन जारी किया गया था। तो आगे भी ऐसे अपडेट जानने के लिए दोस्तों, अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और उसके बाद जो बेल का बटन आएगा उसे भी आप प्रेस कर दीजिए, ताकि जो आने वाले अपडेट है वो इसी तरह से आपको टाइम पे देखने को मिल सके।
इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अगर आपको कोई सवाल है या फिर कोई कमेंट है तो आप इस वीडियो के नीचे जो कमेंट बॉक्स है वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं। और साथ में दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट करें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और जो उसके बाद बेल का आइकॉन आएगा उसे भी आप प्रेस कर दीजिए, ताकि मेरे जो आने वाले वीडियोज़ है वो सबसे पहले आपको देखने को मिल सके।